Big breaking news coming in. There's been a breakthrough as far as the Lokpal deadlock in the Rajya Sabha is concerned. The Congress has agreed to the BJP's demand that Lokpal will have the authority to transfer CBI officers investigating the cases, and the BJP in return has agreed to the Congress demand that civil servants will have the right to hearing before prosecution starts.
Why you want to trouble him?
Our political editor Karthikeya Sharma now joins me live. Karthikeya, give and take both from the BJP and Congress side, but the big question is, will that debate really take place today?
I don't think the debate will take place, but the compromise has happened. BJP has conceded to the demand of the government that the civil servants will have the right to appear and appeal before the Lokpal committee before the prosecution starts. That means they'll have access to the show cause notice. And Congress has acceded to the BJP's demand that Lokpal will have the authority to transfer CBI officers investigating the cases which come under their ambit. So this compromise paves the way for both Bharatiya Janata Party and Congress to pass the bill. So there is no difference. Now the issue is quorum. Now BJP and Congress will have to ensure that TMC, SP and other political parties are on the same page. Now it's 3:30 today. 6 hours have been given to this bill. If they want, they can start at 3:30 and pass the bill by 9:30, 10 o'clock. But then my hunch is that this will probably happen on Monday. The House will continue to be adjourned today. Sources say these parties, regional parties, are not relenting.
Karthikeya, let me just interrupt, and I apologize for that, but I believe that the proceedings have begun in the Rajya Sabha. I'm going to come back to you straight after that.
By me, that honorable chairman will decide whether it is to be accepted or
Only
rejected.
chair.
Wait for that.
No chairman.
Wait for
Only
that.
Chair, not chairman. Chair.
हम महंगाई पर बहस के लिए तैयार हैं। आज आप लोकपाल में बहस शुरू कराएं,
Yeah.
बहस पास कराइए।
Yeah. Yes. Now please. Now, point. See, there is no point in that point of order. There is no point in that point of order. Therefore, yes. No, we have already taken up. See, we have already taken up Lokpal and Ayukt bill, and the Honorable Minister has started. I call upon the Honorable Minister to continue the speech.
Sir, I continue whatever I spoke earlier. Now coming to clause 20, subclause 1, 2 and 3, the amendment that has been proposed by the select committee is that whenever the Lokpal find there is a prima facie case, they can straighten order investigation. Now, sir, the other also they said
You can oppose the bill. Why do you stall?
they may
अरे oppose करो, stall मत करो.
without giving an opportunity to the
Oppose करो, stall मत करो.
Therefore,
करो.
we considered it and we found that fair opportunity has been given.
No, महंगाई महत्वपूर्ण बात ये है
has
कि
been large.
आप जाकर oppose करो, stall मत करो.
That whenever the Lokpal orders investigation against an officer, these views are also to be heard. Therefore, sir, we wanted that to retain the original position in that. And also it has to be May. We wanted it shall.
Try, please.
We were having inquiry. The type of
See, you
inquiry,
can
opportunity
oppose the bill,
Officer
but don't try to stall the bill. It is undemocratic.
20.
I would like to inform you that chair will be forced to take action against you. Chair will be forced to take action.
Natural justice.
How long I can tolerate
Therefore,
it?
we wanted that to be retained. About the other amendments, sir, which has been given by the select committee, especially grant of sanction for prosecution, we wanted grant of sanction for the prosecution should be remain with the government. The select committee said it should be to the Lokpal. We agreed to. Sir, the other
What can I
issue,
do?
in class 23.
You persuade these honorable members to go back.
The select committee said minor modification that we have agreed. Because we said
I have no other go other than adjourning the house.
that has been
Or
added.
I'll be forced to take action on you.
In the another important recommendation of the select committee, we are filing charge sheet in case of investigation. Lokpal may authorize its own prosecution wing to file a charge sheet.
House is adjourned to meet Monday, 16th December at 11 a.m. House is adjourned to meet Monday, 16th December at 11 a.m.
wasted, Kartikeya. Another day wasted. You have the House, the Rajya Sabha being adjourned till Monday. From Monday to Friday, 5 days to pass the Lokpal bill. But the biggest impediment really in the way is the Samajwadi Party in the Rajya Sabha.
I think on Monday, if they do not support the Lokpal bill, then heavy-handed measures will be used.
Yes.
My sense of the situation is that if not marshals, they'll be suspended from the House and they'll be asked to leave. I think the government has made up its mind, and we were the first to break it on headlines today, that today the debate will start, but then it will move to Monday because SP is not going to allow the House to function. Now, we can say for sure that Monday will be the day when we can see scenes like Women Reservation Bill, which we witnessed 3 years back, where the marshals had to be used.
Yes.
If the government has the stamina, both BJP are on the same page, they will use every rule in the book provided by the chairman to ensure the Lokpal is passed. And if they fail to do it, it will convince everyone that it was just an act, and they never actually wanted to pass the bill in the first place.
Also, Kartikeya, while it's very unusual to see the BJP and the Congress on the same page, what really is happening also is the fight for the credit over the Lokpal bill.
You see, it's an app shock. It's really an app shock. You know,
Yes.
They never realize that the middle class will actually go develop political muscles at the booth level and get a party with 29 seats. It's unprecedented. You know, middle class was supposed to be a class which would air support, which would be like a catalyst, support builder, view builder, but not someone in terms of who can go and get the votes, someone who can work at the booth. And I think Delhi has broken that stereotype about the middle class. And understanding that myth and the stereotype has been broken, there is no option for BJP and Congress but to come on the same page.
Kartikeya, what is the road ahead, given that there is intent and will on part of the government to see this Lokpal bill through?
See, the road ahead is very simple. They have to go the Women Reservation Bill. BJP and Congress are on the same page. If they feel that the Lokpal needs to be passed on Monday in Rajya Sabha, the government or the chairman has the power to authorize marshals to ensure that the order is maintained in the well of the House. Which means, like Women Reservation Bill, he can either suspend them, ask them to leave, or force them to leave. I think this is for everyone to see that now the body of the bill is there. There is a consensus with the main parties. There is no problem with numbers. Only thing required is quorum. Government can do that. They can take the chair into confidence and chair can order it. I think now the buck stops with both BJP and Congress. It's a clear game. If they want, they can ensure that the Lokpal is a reality.